Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Football Lions. Today, the world is happy. Today, the world is at peace. Yes, Chelsea won. Not just winning. We win and dominated. Yes, I'm telling you. In fact, Manchester United, I don't understand them, guys. They are sharing. When it's time for Chelsea, they say, no, it has finished. It can never happen this time around. How are you sharing 3 points, 3 points? Guys, you can remember, this season, Chelsea first league against Manchester United. They were sharing like that. When it was time for Chelsea, they sacked the almighty, their best coach, Ten Hag. They sacked him. Then the players used that, as a new coach coming, the players are motivated. They used that and drew with Chelsea. This time around, they started the game as if they were prime Barcelona, prime Real Madrid, prime Chelsea. Yes, they were playing well. And Cucurella said, no. This time around, no, we are collecting the 3 points. Okay. We are collecting the... In fact, guys, Moses Caicedo's name is not in the list of the Premier League player of the season. We'll have a video for that. We'll see the justification on that. Because I don't know the criteria they used and nominated that Moses Caicedo's name is not in Premier League player of the season. Let's talk about this game. We'll come. Maybe another video is coming. So please hit the like button before we move on for this video to reach more people. Yes, and hit the subscription button. And yes, Issa, Chelsea.
In fact,
today,
first of all,
we can sleep well.
Yeah,
we can sleep well.
We'll give the thanks to the Almighty God for the game
today
being commenced successfully, and then
it will look like
yes, today the world is at peace as usual, as you have said. Yes. Today, all Chelsea fans all over the world will be happy because of the results being attracted to the Chelsea. Yes. Fine, now let's go straight to the game.
Okay.
I made mention, let me just from our previous video that we did.
Yes.
I made mention that Chelsea, yes, the preview that we did, Chelsea Manchester United, the game is going to be what, 50-50. I like that you made a statement that Manchester United is sharing points. Yes. But when it reaches Chelsea, they are now greedy. No, I won't give the points to you. No. It is not only in Chelsea, all the big clubs, Manchester United being greedy to them. Yes. That we are not going to give the points to you because they name Manchester United, if not because of irrespective of their performance. Yes. It is also a big club in the EPL. Yes. So first of all, the game. Now I will talk about the midfielders. The game started from the midfielders. So when you look at the midfielders, Manchester United, Bruno Fernandes, Casemiro, and then Casemiro, and then the other guy, Mason Mount. Yes. These were the midfielders holding the Manchester United. Yes. Now, when you look at Chelsea too, we have Caicedo, Cole Palmer, and then Enzo Fernandez. These were the also midfielders holding what the Chelsea Football Club. So it means that these midfielders, because of now Chelsea is in a pressure. Yes. Chelsea want to qualify for top 4. Yes. Now Manchester United also being greedy. They don't want to give their points to Chelsea. Yes. So it means that the ball, there was some kind of speed game in the ball. So both opponents were controlling the game. Yes. But Rich, you could see that now within the first half, it seems like Manchester United, they were possessing. Yes. They were alive in the game. They were dominating. Yes. All because that Chelsea they nearly make me panic. Yes. So Chelsea were what? In fact, Chelsea were taking the game to be too high. Yes. So because of that, during that particular minutes, Manchester United, they were in the game. Yes. So they were possessing, giving long passes. And Manchester United, all their passes, it was going to what? Ahmed Diallo. So it means that this was the perception that Ruben Amorim was thinking that he's going to use his wings to create that particular chances. But here be the case, I keep on saying that for Chelsea this year, the whole EPL this year, my left back, I'll go for Cucurella. Almighty, he's even scoring goals. I know that. That's why I'm saying that. Cucurella, he has been given work to do that. Most of the times when you meet more than expectation. Most of the time when you're meeting some matches, there are individuals in Manchester United, they can't score. That's it. So attackers, they can't score. Defender in Chelsea score. He has been given a work that you should mark the Ahmed Diallo. So today Ahmed Diallo find it difficult to send the ball. No. They find it difficult to create the chances. So now when you look at their left forward too, they want to create the Mason Mount. Even he was even playing at that side, like he was playing inverted that left forward. Yes. So because of that, he was not also able to use what James. It means that Manchester United right forward and then left back, they were blocked. It means they were possessing the ball at the midfield. So the ball now became 50-50 within what Chelsea midfield to and then Manchester United midfield.
Okay.
Now I will now look at Manchester United at the beginning. They were playing what 3 back.
Yes.
So the 3 back they were playing is that whenever they are pressing Chelsea, now you see Maguire, you see Lindelof, then you see the Doku. So it means that these are the people that they are now playing as what the 3 back.
Yes.
But whenever Chelsea is pressing them, you see that either Casemiro dropping to come and add it to this what defenders making one fall at the back. So it means that this was the kind of tactics that Manchester United they were playing. But today Chelsea forward didn't work.
No, it didn't work.
So today, within the first half, Manchester United defenders they were free in the game.
Yes.
There was no pressure on them. George didn't mount any pressure on either Harry Maguire or mount any pressure either on Lindelof or any of them.
No.
So they were free in the game.
I think this is the
they were free in the game. So it means that today it was a bad game for what George. So he was not that's not his normal position because he was forced to play such a position and he has done well.
Yes, he has done well. Bad. Looking at where he came from, breakthrough this season.
So I keep on saying that through this season, our owners they know the problem. I want to say something before I talk about Chelsea weakness and then this thing. Now as they know the problem, if they're able to solve the problem, Enzo Maresca that we keep on saying that Enzo Maresca is not this thing. He'll be able to make the corrections.
Yes. Now
he'll be able to make the. He's adapting.
Yes.
You get it. So it means that if they're able to solve the problem for him, those things is going to be corrected. Now let me go to Chelsea.
Okay.
The big mistake. The first half that Chelsea, the game was 50-50. When they went for second half and then they came, Enzo Maresca developed a particular tactics that it was a tactics that he used to play against Liverpool, and it worked for him. Now you could see that he's playing back four. Typically, he's playing what? Back four.
Yes.
But whenever he's pressing the opponent, you will see that Enzo Maresca is now playing what? 3 back. Okay. Now to understand that Kukureya is now making some kind of what? Overlapping. So you could see that all the balls being clear at Kukureya's side, most of the clearance were done by what? Conway.
Yes.
It was done by Liverpool. So Liverpool will now go and cover.
Yes.
Leaving Tosin at the back. And now James is also what? At the right back. So he was playing 3 back. So knowing that Kukureya will now go and do the what? So he's playing overlapping and all those kind of what? Games. So that was one of the positive aspects of what?
So that is why they gave nearly
this thing. So because of that, it makes Cole Palmer to be able to push more to play what? Closer to what? George. So that makes them to mount those kind of what pressure on Manchester United.
Yes.
But the biggest mistake, I keep on saying in football, Rich, experience counts. As every day you have been saying.
For me, I'm saying it every day. We can't remove experience.
That's why I keep on saying that. In football, yes, we train players.
Yes.
To be able to adapt to big matches.
Yes.
But there are matches, situations. And then you look at the issue that you are in.
Yes.
You are not ready for those particular things. Now you are ready to play with to solve your issues.
Yes.
With the senior players, things are being difficult to you. So what of even using the small one? The big changes that Ruben Amorim made based on Manchester United is he removes his key players.
I think because of the
finals. He removed his big players.
Playing final.
Yes. Now he has removed his big players. He removed Bruno Fernandes, Casemiro, Messi Mount. So these were the midfielders that had already, when the game started, they were those that they were playing 50-50 with Chelsea midfielders. They were those controlling the game for Manchester United. So when all these midfielders are out, it is now going to create an opportunity for Chelsea midfielders to dominate more in terms of all the attacking and then the pressing. So he brought this particular Kobe Menu and Co, which when they came now, we could all see that the midfielder Ogati and Co, it didn't work. The midfield didn't work. So it makes Chelsea people to get that particular opportunity to press them more. Now the defensive side. When you look at Luke Shaw, today's game, it was Luke Shaw who was doing the kind of somehow dirty work for Harry Maguire.
Yes.
Harry Maguire don't have pace. In terms of what air balls that Harry Maguire will win, the speed ball and those kind of disturbances, Harry Maguire don't like those kind of things. So whenever he gets somebody who is playing with him, he'll be able to do that kind of dirty tackling for Harry Maguire to be able to what also be in the game, or see himself in
even
the game. Overlap more to be able to even score goal save. Look at the overlapping that he did. Even because of it was offside. They were leading one. That could have even given them motivation to do something. So it means that there's the defensive side too. The kind of changes, the look sure and cool changes that he made, and he brought that particular heaven. So the heaven that he brought, it has created. Heaven was not in the game. There was some kind of pressure in heaven. You get it? So it makes sure that it makes Chelsea give them that particular opportunity to be able to pressure more. And when you look at this year EPL, Chelsea is one of the teams that they created most chances. So it means even Chelsea, I said one thing that it disturbs Chelsea is that this is not the end of the battle. We are still competing for Champions League. We should be able to make sure that all our chances that we are getting, we should be converting them.
That is where our attack. Look at the chance Madrid.
Chelsea, we have been creating chances,
put the ball
but in terms of the conversion, is very poor.
Our attackers, I don't know.
Seriously,
this is
so the credit go for Chelsea, but still. There is more room for what improvement. So these are the kind of changes that Ruben Amorim and then with his Manchester United they did, and then Chelsea had the opportunity to be able to press them more.
This season, even the Premier, they are not. I think they play 7 games since they've been.
They are not doing well. That here be the case. We are doing the analysis based on the big clubs that they've meet.
Yes.
You get it. So if you look at the small teams getting United scoring them 4-3 and cool. But today, look at the ball that they were playing with Chelsea.
Especially the first half, they surprised me.
They surprised everybody. So it means that Chelsea today they have done well. And here be the case. One thing I would like to say about Rich, the battle it has not ended. Things are coming.
I saw them score.
Aston Villa, the difference between we and Aston Villa is goals. It's goals. They have 66. We also have 66. So it means that the goals between us. Our next match against Nottingham Forest. This is football. The last game. We have confidence. Chelsea can win that match. But Chelsea shouldn't be too confident on that particular
because
thing.
We beat Liverpool.
Because we beat Liverpool.
We beat Manchester United.
Go and get the results. Go and get the results. Chelsea playing draw against Nottingham Forest. They are not safe.
No.
It's going to because
and that game,
Man City is coming. Aston Villa is also coming. Newcastle, they are also on process going. So it means that now the competitors is now between what? Chelsea, Aston Villa and Man City. Among these 3 teams, which one is going to what? One must leave so that the 2 will now push and go. So it means Chelsea, because we have majority of
Liverpool,
where to do for that.
Sport. And for me, this game, I won't lie. Manchester United, they came with a game plan to frustrate Chelsea. To play their counter, their long balls, as we said. They were trying to use their
wingers,
but unfortunately they are not lucky. Almighty Cucurella is there. He pocketed
my best left back in EPL.
I like him. For me,
he did well.
He's my best player. Like he's my player.
He did well.
He's the only guy.
He did well, but just that he has missed a left back.
Unfortunately, no matter how a town is far, there is one town was
also far more than
here. So Ahmad is good, but Cucurella is more good and better. So he wasn't lucky. He met the Almighty, the best left back in Premier League this season, and the Almighty is James. Nobody who like someone who stopped Vinicius want to talk of Garnacho. If someone stopped Vinicius, who are you, Garnacho? Who are you, Mason Mount? Who are you, Mason Mount? If James can stop. Inform Ryan Sterling, Champions League fan. Who are you, Garnacho? Who are you? So Manchester United, they came, but the plan didn't work because of the tools we were having our fullbacks. At our fullback, Cucurella and James. That is why we keep on saying Maresca play him at his right position. Play Rich James at the right back. There, look at the cross he gave. The goal that we score. Look at the way he turned the player and then crossed the ball. If it were to be inexperienced player, he would shoot the ball.
Yes,
immediately
yes. He would have even used the left one.
Like Madueke and Ko, they will shoot. I'm telling you. But he knew that, okay, since at 10, I confused the defenders.
Yes.
They don't know my next step.
Okay.
He crossed the ball.
Okay.
The best striker in the world, Cucurella, he put the ball at the back of the net. You see, Manchester United, they should bring 80 million. So for me, I think Manchester United, they started the game very well. And also, maybe when the game started, Chelsea, we respected each other.
Yes.
Nobody wanted to open up.
Yes, yes.
Yes, Chelsea was slow. Yes,
because
because this is a big game.
A big game.
And
a little bit mistake.
You concede, that is all. So United, they were respecting us. We were also respecting them because it was a big game. But the second half, when we scored a goal, you saw that everything now open. The confidence came back to Chelsea players. We were now moving the ball quickly, faster, pushing to win. Yes, and since we scored that goal, we dominated.
Okay.
Yes, since we scored that goal, we dominated. So guys, let us hear from you under the comment section your opinion, your thought about this game. Yes, let us see, because today is a happy day today, and the last game is coming. The preview will be coming soon. By the way, more videos are coming on this channel. Yes, I may do a head talk video about this game. Some players who perform well in this game: Moses Caicedo, Cucurella, Madueke and Co. Yes, and Jackson not being in this game, whether it affects Chelsea or not, that video may come soon. So please turn on the notification bell. Yes, hit the like button for this video to reach more Chelsea fans, and don't forget to hit the subscription button. Take care, peace.